Hey, it's Vanessa from Zoras, the fireplace store. Today we're going to be taking a look at Regency's Onyx Electric Fireplace. The Regency Onyx comes in 3 different sizes, 43, 59, and 75 inches, and offers flexible installation with single-sided corner or full 3-sided bay configurations. For single-sided installs, you also have the option to add a finishing trim for a cleaner look. What really stands out right away is the 17-inch tall viewing area, which is taller than most electric fireplaces, so the flames feel bigger and more natural. In terms of customization, you get over 30 flame color combinations, adjustable flame speed and brightness, along with accent log lighting, a multicolor ember bed, and top lighting. It comes with a premium handcrafted split wood log set, and you also have the option to upgrade to a birch log set if you want a different look. For heat, it runs on a 120-volt hookup at around 5,000 BTUs, which can heat up to about 500 square feet, and it includes a programmable thermostat. You can control everything using the remote or through Wi-Fi on the app, and it can be used with or without heat, so you can run the flames year-round. It also comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, giving you solid coverage for peace of mind. Overall, this is a great option if you want something modern, flexible, and with a taller, more premium flame presentation. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel. And if there's more videos that you'd like to see or any questions that you have, please comment below. Stay tuned.